This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. I'm going to show you the easy way to get rid of certain rows in Google Sheets using sorting. Let's get started. So the issue here is I have a whole list of stuff, and some of the information is incomplete. And basically what I want to do is I want to get rid of all the entries in this spreadsheet that have nothing in the UPC row. And I could do it one at a time, like I could just select 4 and then delete that row. But there's a much more powerful way to do it, and that's using sorting. And this is how to do it. Now, it's important when you sort that you sort everything at the same time, because if you just sort a column at a time, then it will basically mess up all the data. And I want all the data to kind of match at the end. So then at the rows that are empty, I can just batch delete them at the end. This is how to do it. I'm going to select all of the data in the spreadsheet using this little square in the upper left corner. Then I'm going to go to Data, Sort Range, and then Advanced Sorting Options. Yes, the data has a header row, and then I'm going to make sure that I select UPC. So there's two options, A to Z, Z to A, and these basically mean how do you want it arranged, kind of numerically starting from the letter A or the number 0 or the other way around. I'm going to do A to Z because I want the blank rows to appear on the bottom. So let's do that. Click Sort. So everything just sorted according to the UPC row, and then you can see I have all the ones that are empty in row B, in column B, and I'm just going to select them and then hit the delete key, and it's done. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description. Thanks for watching.